Are you looking for the best Kawasaki badminton shoes? In this video, we want to the top 5 best Kawasaki badminton shoes on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Kawasaki K-567 Badminton Shoes. Precision fit for peak performance. The Kawasaki K-567 badminton shoes stand out as a top-tier choice for badminton enthusiasts, combining a precision fit, high-strength RB outsole, and cutting-edge high-elastic technology. These shoes are designed to elevate your game with a focus on comfort, durability, and optimal performance. Fit and sizing. Kawasaki emphasizes a precise fit for the K-567, recognizing the importance of comfort in badminton footwear. The provided guidance on measuring foot length in millimeters ensures that players can easily determine the right size for their individual needs. The recommendation to choose one size bigger for thicker or wider feet further emphasizes the brand's commitment to a personalized fit. High-strength RB outsole. The K-567 boasts a high-strength RB, rubber, outsole, delivering exceptional durability and traction on the badminton court. Whether you're making swift lateral movements or executing quick directional changes, the outsole provides a reliable grip, contributing to enhanced stability during play. High elastic technology. The incorporation of high elastic technology sets the Kawasaki K-567 apart in terms of responsiveness and energy return. This feature is crucial for badminton players who rely on quick, explosive movements. The shoes effectively absorb and release energy, enabling players to maneuver the court with agility and speed. Durability and performance. The K-567 excels in both durability and performance, making it a go-to choice for serious badminton players. The high-strength RB outsole not only provides excellent traction but also withstands the wear and tear associated with intense court play. These shoes are built to last, ensuring players can rely on them for extended periods without compromising on performance. In conclusion, the Kawasaki K-567 badminton shoes earn a perfect score for their precision fit, high-strength RB outsole, and innovative high-elastic technology. Whether you're a casual player or a competitive athlete, these shoes offer the ideal combination of comfort, durability, and performance. With Kawasaki's commitment to quality and attention to detail, the K-567 stands as a reliable and top-performing choice for badminton enthusiasts. Number 4. Kawasaki A3303 Badminton Shoes. Stylish, supportive, and superior performance. The Kawasaki A3303 badminton shoes redefine excellence in badminton footwear, combining a stylish design with innovative features that prioritize support, breathability, and performance. Available in striking red and black colors and a range of sizes, these shoes cater to badminton enthusiasts seeking both aesthetics and functionality. Design and color options. The A3303 impresses with a sleek design and is offered in eye-catching red and black color options. Kawasaki has successfully blended style and functionality, making these shoes a standout choice for players who appreciate both aesthetics and performance. Upper construction. Crafted with a combination of microfiber, TPU, thermoplastic polyurethane, and Flyknit, the A3303's upper ensures a perfect balance of durability, flexibility, and breathability. The use of advanced materials contributes to the shoe's overall lightweight feel, allowing players to move effortlessly on the court. Sole composition. The sole is a masterpiece, incorporating TPU, EVA, ESS, and high-strength rubber. This multi-layered composition provides exceptional shock absorption, stability, and traction, making the A3303 an ideal choice for swift movements and quick direction changes on the badminton court. Midsole technology. Featuring TPU, Kawasaki cushioning, super elastic EVA, and ESS, the midsole offers a winning combination of cushioning, responsiveness, and arch support. This technology enhances overall comfort and minimizes the risk of foot fatigue during extended play. Breathable lining. The A3303 is lined with a multi-layer breathable mesh that ensures optimal ventilation, preventing discomfort caused by excess moisture. This feature is crucial for players engaging in intense rallies, providing a cool and dry environment for the feet. Wrapping and anti-twist design. The A3303 incorporates a thoughtful anti-twist design, safeguarding the arch of the foot from potential injuries. This, coupled with a secure wrapping mechanism, ensures stability and support during lateral movements, promoting a safer and more confident playing experience. In summary, the Kawasaki A3303 badminton shoes earn a perfect score for their winning combination of style, support, and performance. Whether you're a casual player or a seasoned athlete, these shoes deliver on every front. With their attention to detail and commitment to excellence, Kawasaki has created a badminton shoe that stands out in the competitive world of sports footwear. The A3303 is a testament to the brand's dedication to providing badminton enthusiasts with a premium and top-performing shoe. Number 3. Kawasaki A3311 Badminton Shoes. Unleashing professional performance. For the professional badminton player seeking the pinnacle of performance, the Kawasaki A3311 badminton shoes stand as a testament to excellence. Meticulously designed and engineered with precision, these shoes cater to the demands of the highest level of play. With sizes ranging from 35 to 46 euro, the A3311 ensures a tailored fit for players across the spectrum. Level: professional. Crafted explicitly for professional athletes, the A3311 badminton shoes are a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to providing elite-level performance. The shoes are engineered to meet the exacting standards of professional badminton play, making them an exceptional choice for serious competitors. Upper construction, TUP, network, synthetic leather microfiber. The upper is a blend of TUP, network, and synthetic leather microfiber. This combination ensures a perfect synergy of durability, flexibility, and lightweight feel. The upper not only provides a secure fit but also contributes to the shoe's breathability, keeping the feet cool during intense rallies. Sole composition: high-strength RB plus EVA plus elastic cushion plus TPU plus carbon fiber stabilizer. The sole is a masterpiece, integrating high-strength RB, EVA, elastic cushion, TPU, and a carbon fiber stabilizer. This advanced composition delivers unparalleled shock absorption, stability, and responsiveness, enabling swift movements and precise footwork on the court. Wrapping and breathability, anti-twist design. The A3311 prioritizes player comfort with its impeccable wrapping mechanism and breathability features. The anti-twist design ensures stability during lateral movements, minimizing the risk of injuries. These attributes collectively contribute to a secure and comfortable fit, allowing players to focus entirely on their game. Protects the arch of the foot. Understanding the importance of foot health, the A3311 incorporates features to protect the arch of the foot. This design choice not only enhances comfort but also safeguards against potential injuries, a crucial consideration for professional athletes engaged in intense training and competition. In conclusion, the Kawasaki A3311 badminton shoes earn a perfect score for their unwavering dedication to professional performance. From the meticulously crafted upper to the advanced sole composition and thoughtful design features, these shoes leave no room for compromise. Kawasaki has successfully created a masterpiece that caters to the needs of professional badminton players, elevating their game to new heights. The A3311 stands as a beacon of excellence in the realm of badminton footwear, setting a standard that few can match. For those aspiring to reach the pinnacle of their sport, the Kawasaki A3311 is an investment in unrivaled performance and comfort. Number 2. Kawasaki A3307 Badminton Shoes. Unmatched support and comfort. Kawasaki continues to redefine excellence in badminton footwear with the A3307 badminton shoes, offering a blend of innovation and performance that sets a new standard for athletic shoes. Boasting a perfect rating, these shoes cater to badminton enthusiasts with features that prioritize foot health, stability, and overall comfort. Torsion resistance, unrivaled foot protection. The A3307 stands out with its exceptional torsion resistance, effectively mitigating the risk of foot sprains during intense badminton sessions. This feature ensures that players can push their limits without compromising on foot safety, making the A3307 a reliable choice for athletes of all levels. High-strength RB, natural wear-resistant grip. Crafted with a high-strength rubber sole, the A3307 provides natural wear-resistant properties that translate into excellent anti-slip effects. The sole's composition ensures a reliable grip on the court, allowing players to move with confidence and agility. Shock absorption, optimal cushioning and bounce. The A3307 excels in shock absorption, offering the best cushioning for the heel. This feature not only enhances overall comfort but also provides crucial shock absorption during high-impact movements. The result is a shoe that combines plush cushioning with excellent bounce strength, contributing to a more dynamic and responsive playing experience. Sleek design and build quality. Beyond its performance attributes, the A3307 boasts a sleek design and impeccable build quality. The attention to detail in the construction of these shoes showcases Kawasaki's commitment to delivering not just functionality but also style. Players can step onto the court with confidence, knowing they are equipped with a shoe that merges performance with aesthetics. In summary, the Kawasaki A3307 badminton shoes earn a perfect rating for their outstanding combination of torsion resistance, high-strength sole, and shock absorption capabilities. These shoes are a testament to Kawasaki's dedication to creating footwear that enhances the badminton experience, ensuring both performance and foot protection. Whether you're a casual player or a serious enthusiast, the A3307 is an investment in superior comfort, support, and reliability on the badminton court. Players seeking unmatched performance and foot safety need look no further than the exceptional Kawasaki A3307 badminton shoes. Number 1. Kawasaki K-63 Badminton Shoes. Versatile, comfortable, and easy to wear. Kawasaki introduces the K-63 Badminton Shoes, a versatile and easy-to-use footwear option that caters to athletes across various court sports. With its focus on user convenience, high elasticity, and a range of sizes, the K-63 is a reliable choice for badminton enthusiasts seeking both performance and comfort. Easy-to-use, effortless sporting experience. The K-63 badminton shoes prioritize user convenience, featuring a design that is easy to put on and take off. This makes them suitable not only for badminton but also for tennis, volleyball, squash, and other court sports. The hassle-free wearing experience ensures that players can focus on their game without any distractions. High elasticity, durable and soft material. Crafted from high-quality EVA material, these badminton shoes offer exceptional elasticity and softness. This ensures a comfortable and supportive fit during prolonged use, making them an excellent choice for athletes who engage in extended sports sessions. The durable material contributes to the longevity of the shoes, providing athletes with reliable footwear for the long run. All sizes available, inclusive sizing options. The K-63 badminton shoes are available in a variety of sizes, catering to both men and women. This inclusive sizing approach allows players to find the perfect fit, enhancing overall comfort and performance. Before making a purchase, users are encouraged to refer to the size chart to ensure an accurate fit tailored to their individual needs. In conclusion, the Kawasaki K-63 badminton shoes earn a perfect rating for their easy-to-use design, high elasticity, and inclusive sizing options. Whether you're a badminton enthusiast or engage in various court sports, the K-63 offers a seamless and comfortable experience. The combination of convenience, durability, and sizing flexibility makes these badminton shoes a standout choice for athletes looking for reliable and versatile footwear. Step onto the court with confidence and ease, courtesy of the exceptional Kawasaki K-63 badminton shoes.